Hey guys, I'm Scott Field here at the Rotary Solutions booth at NADA 2024. I'm here with Rotary's new LT35A lifting table. It's a very versatile piece of equipment with its 3,500 pound capacity, which is industry leading. The easy move casters and the pendant style control makes this lift really versatile for your technicians when they're removing EV propulsion batteries or other heavy components. So you can actually partner the LT35 lifting table with one of our patent pending RT30 working tables. So what that does allows a technician to be able to raise up, drop down the battery, and the propulsion battery is a much bigger battery, so they can actually drop it down, have the work table, do their maintenance, put it back up. Another cool feature is you can actually combine just one lifting table with multiple working tables to save on space and to save your initial investment.